G'day, how's it going? Today's question is, what did you do on the weekend? What did you do on the weekend? What did you do on the weekend? Now, to say it naturally, we put these together. What did you do on the weekend? What did you do on the weekend? So, what's this question asking? Well, now it is Tuesday. When's the weekend? You say usually Saturday and Sunday. So, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, what did you do on Saturday and Sunday? Alright, so this is talking about the past. Talking about the past. We know this because of this word did. What did you do on the weekend? Tells us that this is about the past. What did I do on the weekend? I worked. I worked on Saturday. And on Sunday, I went to a culture festival. Okay? I worked on Saturday and I went to a culture festival on Sunday. So, how do you know these are in the past? What's the difference between I work on Saturday and I worked on Saturday? Well, this ED tells me that this is in the past. Not every Saturday, but last Saturday. What about this one? I went to a culture day. This is the verb, this is the action. It's in the past. The word is go. Go becomes went. What did you do on the weekend? Notice here, this word is the regular verb. It's not changed. Okay? So, for example, did you work on Saturday? Did you work on Saturday? So this did tells me it's the past. Work is the usual verb, the infinitive verb. So it's not did you worked, it's did you work. The answer would be I worked on Saturday. Or yes I did, I worked on Saturday. Did you go to the culture festival? On Sunday? So notice here, this go, it's not went, it's the usual word, the present simple version. This did is the past. So when we're making questions, we use did for past words, for past questions. Alright? And the answer, we don't say did, we change to the past simple, which in this case, go becomes went, work becomes worked. A lot of verbs follow this pattern, plus ed. Okay, a lot of them follow this pattern. But there are also a lot of verbs that are called irregular verbs. They have a different ending, a different version. Okay, like go becomes went. Another example, eat becomes ate. Okay, see becomes saw. Meet becomes met. Okay, so there are some irregular verbs. So let's recap. If we want to make a question, we use did in front of the subject. Did you work on Saturdays? I worked on Saturday. Did you go to the culture festival? I went to the culture festival. Alright? If you want to use a what, where, why, when, you just add it at the start. Where did you work on Saturday? I worked here. Who did you go with? I went with my family. Okay, so we can add the WH questions here or here. Okay. Now, I'm going to jump from present to past. So, he works on Saturdays. This sentence means every Saturday. Every Saturday. Hey, Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. I work. Saturday, work. This means every Saturday. Now let's keep this pattern of he. Now we want to talk about how it's only this Saturday here. We've got the now. Only this one. He worked on Saturday. Okay, notice this S is plural. Why is it plural? Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's lots of Saturdays. This Saturday is not plural. There's only one Saturday. Okay, and we have ED. There's no S, it's the same. It'd be the same if I said, I worked. He worked, she worked. They worked. It doesn't change when it's in the past simple. It's the same. Okay? Unlike the present simple where it changes with the S. Okay? We'd say I work on Saturdays. Okay? But in past, there's no change. It doesn't matter about the subject. Past simple is pretty easy to use. The main difficulty people have is remembering the irregular verbs. So that's a brief look at past simple. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll leave you with a question. What did you do on the weekend? Goodbye.